On the icy front lines of the Indian border, a unique sentinel watches over the nation. Sher's keen senses and unmatched courage saved countless lives. In the line of duty, Sher made the ultimate sacrifice, leaving behind a legacy of valor. Inspired by his father's heroism, a young heart vowed to follow in his pawprints. From a timid kitten to a dedicated tracker, he trained tirelessly to serve his nation. Carrying forward his father's legacy, he became the hero the nation needed. The Sentinel's legacy lives on, proving that courage knows no bounds.